walk about, go down Long Market. Old mama, sit down na salim something. Old money walk about, old karigo ikam. Sampai la kai buai, sampai la smoke, sampai la golong store, sampai la Long Market, sampai la round long nati. Mi scaling price belongs to us, iantap tumas. Government ito, long down in price, tas all price yang tapiet. Mama hatwo, Long Market, Papa hatwo, Long Fayaw. Money no enough, long price belongs to her. I looked at the prices in the stores, they're rising higher every day. The government promised to bring them down, but they're still climbing anyway. Mothers work hard at the markets, fathers labor gathering firewood, yet the money they earn is never enough to pay for the basic things they need. PNG, you missed out long time belong heavy. Life behind, that's all you mean, no can lose ting ting. You me harimol semplanti money, ilus nothing. Paigaman, i-making one and now. Money belong taxpayer, i-go-lose nothing. Big pela foul na corruption, long government. Down at 9 Mile, families lost their homes. Children stood crying with nowhere left to go. Dreams were buried beneath the broken walls. Still they hold on, hoping justice will call. Through the pain and tears, they stand together strong, praying for a better day where everyone belongs. Long place na long town Olgeta, heavy kissing planty line. Yang pela like pine in walk tasol, ino isi. Planty sin down nothing, long house. Mi pela sing out, long good pela senis. Nastre pela sing down, di long Olgeta. PNG by kirap sa posenis, ikama. PNG, you missed out long time belong heavy. Life behind, that's all you mean, no can lose ting ting. You me harimol semplanti money, ilus nothing. By government, i-making one and now. Money belong taxpayer, i-go-lose nothing. Big pela foul na corruption, long government. Hospitals are running out of life, saving drugs. Health centers struggle with too little to give. Patients wait in pain, hoping for relief. But empty shelves bring heartache and grief. Not enough beds for the sick to lie down. Too many cries echo all around. We pray for healing, mercy